All right, the last thing we need to talk about is Docstring. Like I've been talking about documentation and how Python just has it everywhere. Well, we need to do the same. So generate Docstring. So you're going to hear documentation Docstring. So this is what it does. This function prints hello. All right. So this is all this function does, right? So I close this out, put it back into memory. So then when I come over here and I begin to type hello, boom, up, here we go. Whatever you put in the Docstring comes out here. So if you come and look at print, let's run help on print. Okay, everybody look really, really close. See any similarities? It's the exact same information. So if I run help on hello, this I get here, boom, this function prints hello. And then we come down here and you do the Docstring with 3 double quotation marks. This function calls hello twice. But again, it doesn't matter. It's whatever you put in here. So now I run this and I call, let's bring this up here, I call hello x2. Oh, type too fast. So if I type it correct, boom, this function calls, spelled call wrong, calls hello twice. This is how you become successful, because look, when you move on and you're working with other programmers, you need to tell them what it does, because you're going to begin to write these programs, and at the start you're going to have very small amounts of information. You're going to come back and look at it later, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months later, and you're like, well, what does this function do? This is why you want to make documentation. And one awesome way to do it is put a quotation mark. I wanted space between calls. So I'm putting a comment here, and anything after the comment, Python just stops reading. So this is completely legal and runs. It does not throw up. So it's like, okay, what did I do here? Oh yeah, I wanted to have a space between the calls. Okay, that's why I did it. Boom. And then when somebody's using your function, what does this function do? And they have it right here. Everything else. Just good documentation. It's a great practice. Let's start at the beginning and make sure we have good habits. All right, stay tuned. See you next video.